The abatement team just left and I couldn't wait to come see how it looks. This is how it looks. The demo and abatement team just left, so let's check out inside. Whoa. Crazy. It's actually pretty cool. There's like layers in this house. So they took all the drywall off and there's this wood planks over everything, which is amazing. The floors are really cool. This is probably the original like wood floors that were in this home. Any of the old windows, those old single pane windows, those have all been removed. There's just plastic taped up right now over all of them. They cleaned it up really nice. This was a disaster just yesterday. It kind of made me like anxious to even be in here. It was so fun to come see the progress every night, but I would come in and there's just like bags and garbage and stuff everywhere. And I don't know. I didn't like the feeling.
Are you grossed out by it?
I am. Yeah. The space already feels bigger. So I can't wait to see how big the space feels when this big wall and all the other walls come down. Tonight, my husband and his friend are going to pull off a bunch of these wooden slats, and we're gonna see if we can find any treasure in here. Sometimes older homes have treasures left in the wall, and I think it would be super fun if they could find something. On my mind this week is a lot of gratitude for this home that has served our family really well for the last 5 years before doing this demo renovation, but also it's from the 1940s, so decades of serving different families really well in this home. Just kind of on my mind. I feel really grateful that we're able to do this and just kind of thinking about how I might keep a piece of it. Maybe not. Maybe the pictures are enough. We'll see what happens. We got a delivery of some materials today, and next week it'll be really fun to see transformation starting to happen from the outside too.